In this experiment, we're going to compare the rate of heat transfer by conduction through single and double glazed glass. First, put a plastic container in a polystyrene insulation box. Put a stirrer into the container and pour hot water of about 70 degrees Celsius to an almost overflow level. Gently place a sheet of single glazed glass on top of the water. Then cover the box with a polystyrene lid. Now, place a temperature sensor on the pre-punched hole on the lid. Gently rotate the stirrer for 5 seconds every minute to make the temperature distribution in the water uniform. Repeat this step for about 5 minutes until the glass heats up. Run the data logging program to capture the temperature readings every second. Take the reading for 20 minutes to obtain a temperature time graph. Pour the water in the box into a measuring cylinder to find out the volume, thus the mass of the water. Now, repeat the above experiment with a sheet of double-glazed glass of the same dimensions. Make sure that the starting temperature is the same as the previous experiment. We then obtain another set of results. Calculate the rates of heat loss for the single and double-glazed glass and compare their results. Which type of glass has a lower rate of heat transfer by conduction?